Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and today I am sharing a quick junk journal that I made with my Sorceress's Tower kit. This is a small kit available in my Etsy shop. There's a link in the description down below. There's the front and the back. I made the cover out of a piece of scrapbooking cardstock. I just cut that down to a smaller size. There are two panels that come with this kit. I used those for the front and the back, and I layered those with some black cardstock as well. It makes for a thick cover while making a fast fold-over journal. On the front, I have inserted an eyelet and added a string so I can wrap a tie around. And I'll show you some of the details on the front here. So here I've layered some of the ephemera paper from the kit, some washi tape, and some rhinestones. And there's a little bit of iridescent lace under there. You can kind of see it catch the light. It's so pretty. Lots of gold, purple, and blue. I went for super strong saturated colors. The attachment is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch with a mix of embroidery floss that is purple, blue, and gold embroidery floss. I also added some washi tape. I have a purple metallic washi tape. I had a whole set that was just perfect for this journal. So I did a little edging with that on the top and the bottom. Flipping to the inside, I'm going to share a funny mistake I made. So more washi tape on the top and bottom on the inside. Some of the printed paper is lining, and then I used a tuck from the kit as a pocket. Now, I did not take my ephemera out before I punched my hole, so this ephemera is now permanently attached. There is a little note from the kit, as well as a layered tag with some dictionary and coffee dyed paper. There's some more like this in the back of the journal, so I'll show you those. But these don't come out anymore. I thought about tearing them out, and then I was like, no, I'm gonna share my funny story instead. So take your ephemera out when you get to the last details of your journal and you decide to punch a hole. This kit also includes a little folio. I'm gonna hold that up. Has a decorative detail on the outside. I've attached it with a Velcro closure. I'm really into those right now. And there's a decorative card attached to the inside, as well as 2 pockets. I've got those stuffed with ephemera. So here's my pockets for research and experiments. And then crystal fussy cut, a couple pieces of esoteric ephemera, and then a little note. There are several notes. I wanted it to feel like you were going through her study, the Sorceress's study. So this kit is full of little notes that I have scattered throughout the entire journal. I had this fun yarn that I used, quite a bit of it, throughout the journal. I used it as the tie on the front. I wrapped that with some more of that gold embroidery floss. These are all pages found in the kit. I did not add any extra paper in. I just wanted to do a quick little journal project. But I did do, here's some mesh kind of material with beads sewn onto it. Kind of a tarot card feeling image, and then under that I've got some mulberry paper, and then there's some writing space below that. Chandelier, and here is a mushroom pocket that I've stuffed full. Another little note from the kit, or to-do list, things to do. I have an envelope that I attached one of the tags to. Around. This one is empty right now, but lots of room to add things in. And here's a little detail. I layered some lace and the dictionary paper, a little washi tape, and a rhinestone up here. Again, I was going for kind of a research feeling, research and study. So this page has a journal entry written by our Sorceress. There's another matching page. It's one piece of paper, so the other half is later on in the journal. And there are 4 different Sorceress cards. I have used all of them in my journal. This fun crystal pocket and some more collage work up top with some lace edging and dictionary paper and stamping. Nice amount of writing space on these pages. Just did a little bit of trim here. And again, I kept this one pretty simple. I really liked how this page looked. I added a tab, a little potions tab. There's some more of that gold embroidery floss. I love how it just kind of frays out. Another Sorceress card and tag. I'm gonna tuck those into this cauldron pocket. Used a couple of dried flowers and then some more of that pink lace. That was a thrift store find. It was a really exciting one. And more lace and some velvet ribbon layered at the top. And this page has mushrooms and a little quote from the journal entries on the side of the page. Created a tuck spot with a tag and the fussy cut of a crystal ball and tucked another of her notes in here. More writing space. Just a touch of washi tape at the bottom. It has metallic kind of shine to it, so I thought that was a nice added detail. This is a pocket tag also included with the kit. I did a little collage work with some coffee dyed paper and a rhinestone down there. And I've got a couple of tags tucked inside. I have a magic staff. I made a belly band out of one of the skinnier pockets and put the apothecary jar and some coffee dyed paper on top of that. I love how colorful this kit is. There's a little reflection note. I really wanted a lot of saturated color. Blues and purples were my main colors for this theme. There's another journal entry. This is the second on that page. Another note. And then this one flips up and there's some mulberry paper and I put the little herbs tab and a tiny little dried flower there. And then this flips up as well so you can kind of see our sorceress's notes about herbs. A little bit of trim on that page. Wouldn't be a Sorceress's Tower without a cat. So there's our napping cat. This is the second envelope in the kit. I actually put a tab on this envelope. I don't normally do that. I thought it would be fun. And I've tucked another one of those tarot type cards inside. Did a little waterfall here with the last of the journal cards. So this flips up and then there's some coffee dyed paper. And this is actually a large pocket from the kit and I turned it sideways and added a little bit of decoration down here. And the research tab, so there's washi tape and coffee dyed paper down there. A little bit of rickrack at the top and some ribbon. And we're at the back of the journal. Another fun research type page. Some apothecary jars make this big old pocket on the back. And then here are some layered tags with coffee dyed paper. This one I added a little washi tape to. And there's some writing space on the back of those. And now we're to the back of the journal. I hope you've enjoyed this flip through of the Sorceress's Tower journal. If you're interested in this kit, you can find it in my Etsy shop. There's a link in the description down below. If you want to see more videos of future kits, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.